Business needs and expectations are changing. Cloud computing is being discussed at executive levels and in the boardroom. How are you going to deliver what your business requires and is asking for? Your IT requirements are daunting. Do it cheaper. Make it do more. Make it easier for your employees. But make sure it's always up and running with no risk of data loss, security breach, or system problems. Assembling storage, networking, servers, and applications into your own internal private cloud, migrating to the external cloud, or a combination is a huge challenge, both technically and organizationally. It's complicated to determine your best course of action. Lots of questions, and Datalink has answers. Datalink is expert at identifying and delivering best practice data center solutions and services. We can help you sort through the many options around cloud computing.
I think one of the most significant values we add to our customers is going out and looking at best-of-breed technologies. And then when we find those best-of-breed technologies, we invest heavily in people, processes, technology, labs, things like that to help meet our customers' needs.
Datalink practices span virtualization, consolidation, data storage and protection, business continuity, disaster recovery, and advanced network solutions.
A lot of typical networking solution providers, Cisco solution providers, will focus on the route switch aspect of a network design. With the advent of cloud computing and unified computing, unified architectures, that need now is more holistic in nature. And that's where Datalink excels, is the ability to provide the storage, the compute, as well as the networking and virtualization resources all in one complete solution.
This includes Datalink's V-Scape, which offers a unified, holistic approach to providing organizations with a design for integrating virtual and unified server, storage, and network elements. Here's how V-Scape works.
What we did was we took the best practices of the data center implementations we've done in the past and documented them out to be a complete unified solution. We call it V-Scape, but also incorporate in the flexibility to address your specific business needs.
By first getting to know your business, our expert architecture consultant gains a unique vantage point.
We look at where you are today and where you want to get to tomorrow. Looking specifically at the network side, what pieces, parts do we need to add to your environment to get you to where you want to go? Do we need to add 10 gig into your infrastructure? Perhaps that's a business need of yours. Do we want to add unified fabric into your infrastructure? And then we add those pieces, parts as we progress forward.
I think Datalink's approach is very unique in that we bring experts from each of the different practices within the data center together to ensure that the design going forward is holistic.
In fact, you can often leverage your present infrastructure to enable functional advances with affordable integration of new technologies that make the best sense for your business.
The way we look at the virtualization roadmap is a path or a journey to take you from where your existing environment is today to your ultimate goal, whether that's an automated infrastructure or a fully orchestrated private cloud. You identify what goals you're trying to achieve, and then there's individual steps to get you there.
Keep and adapt what you already own to meet your needs. Select and configure new elements to add the right functionality to address your business needs. We take a big look, not just a look limited by the technology made by a single source provider.
So Datalink is a very deep technology group of engineers. So we each have our various forms which we kind of came from, our silos that we came from originally, if you will. My background is in networking. I work with very good storage engineers as well as compute engineers as well as virtualization engineers. But that being said, as we progress as a company, those lines have completely blurred and we're now able to talk very, very deep across the entire range of technologies.
Storage, servers, server virtualization, networking, and end-to-end management are all integrated into the V Scape Reference Architecture.
I think what's very important today is to understand the business needs. They've got some choices between cloud and IT internally, etc. And one of the things that's unique about Datalink is we don't have a particular vested interest in a single technology. We're bringing a unified approach. We listen to your requirements, how you're trying to meet the business needs, and then help deliver best-of-breed technologies to meet your goals.
So what Datalink does is to take what your business requirements are and then to draw upon our past experience and translate that into a technological solution to those business needs.
It can be software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and wholly owned infrastructure or a private cloud, allowing you to truly deliver IT as a service. Datalink puts you in the cloud where data services need to fly, but solidly on the ground for reliability and security.
Ultimately, what the business is asking for is an application to be deployed very quickly and rapidly. And underneath that, what's required from IT is a unified approach around data center, networking, virtualization, storage, server technologies. So it's more important than ever to have those working as a unified system.
So, the reasons to rely on Datalink? Your business is unique, so your IT needs are too. We have the reach and expertise to select from game-changing, proven technologies to meet your needs.
And most importantly, we're there for support. So if you have a problem or have a question about your environment, even though it's provided by multiple best-of-breed vendors, you could call us first so that we can understand how this is applied to your environment.
We're looking to deploy a solution that is both reliable, that's flexible, and that's affordable.
We're able to really come in and provide a third-party view on the design. We're able to not look at it from a vendor-specific angle, and we're able to really present the best solution for an infrastructure.
And one of the things that Datalink can do is help you understand the choices that you can make that both maximize your return on investment and reduce your risk.
You drive, we help you navigate and deliver the right solutions. Datalink and V Scape Reference Architecture gets you there.